Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This cake is made with only 3 ingredients. See the texture of the sponge. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please press the bell icon to receive notifications when I post more videos. Sift 165 grams of flour and 15 grams of chocolate powder. Do this step 3 times to make the flour lighter. The temperature of the ingredients must be the same as the room temperature. If you want a non-chocolate cake, the amount of flour should be 180 grams. We need 6 large eggs. The weight of each egg should be 50 to 55 grams. If you don't have enough time to heat the eggs, you can put them in warm water for a few minutes. For remove the smell of eggs, remove the shakloati. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add 180 grams of sugar. Mix it for 10 minutes. A few minutes before the end of mixing the eggs, preheat the oven toaster at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Add flour to the ingredients in several steps and stir slowly in one direction only. If you like my video, please press the like button and write me your comments. Put the baking paper into the cake tin. The size of my cake tins is 6 inches equal to 15 centimeters. The ingredients should fill half of the cake tins. I put the cake tins on the middle shelf for 55 minutes. To test the cake, insert a wooden skewer into it. If the cake don't stick to it, it's ready. After half an hour, remove the cake tins. This cake is suitable for creaming, which must be moistened. In my pastry playlist, I have various videos of the steps of moistening and creaming. Look how flexible and soft the texture of the cake is. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye bye.